This video is going to show you how to save footage from a Hikvision NVR to a thumb drive. On the front of the NVR, there is a space for the USB thumb drive to be plugged in. If the mouse is plugged in here, there should also be a USB port on the back of the NVR as well that you can either move the mouse to or you can put the USB in. So on the screen, you're going to right click and go into the menu. It's going to prompt you for a password. And it's going to bring up the main menu. On playback, you're going to see a calendar and any of the days that are in a different color, whether it's blue or yellow, are the days that have video footage. So we're going to drop down to camera number 2, which is the camera that we want to get the video from. And we're going to go to the day that we want to select the video from. On the very bottom, you're going to see a timeline that goes 0 to 24. This is hours in the day, and any of the blue dashes represent periods where there was activity. By clicking on the zoom in button, it just went from 24 hours to 6 hours, and then you can zoom out, kind of go to whatever time it is that you want, and zoom back in. It's going to put you in that time period. Alright. So you can also make the video full screen when you're looking at it. So you're going to look, you're going to find the period of time, you're going to find your clip. On the very bottom left, you're going to see we're somewhere else. Some of the interfaces look a little different, but you're going to see this start clipping, stop clipping button. So once you identify the clip that you want to take in the beginning of the time, bring your cursor to the beginning. So we're going to start at 9:08. I'm going to start the clip. You don't even have to watch the video. You can go to, say, 9:20, which is the end of it, and just hit stop clipping, and it will basically tag that specific area. There's also a save button right here, so when you're done, you can hit save clip. When you go to exit, you can do that for multiple clips all at the same time. When you go to exit out, and then exit out of this screen, by right-clicking, it's going to say there are video clips. Do you want to save them? Select yes. And then between that time frame, it's going to show you all of the clips from the time frame that you selected, and then give you the ability to export these clips by clicking export. Up in the device name, you're going to look for the USB drive that you plugged into the NVR. It's going to be there. This is the first time that you're saving video onto this USB drive, and the USB drive is empty. You're going to want to hit the format button, which is going to wipe it clean, and it should also save player.exe on the drive, which is a viewing software, so you can actually watch the clips after you export them. And when you're done, you're going to click export. And then it's going to go through all of the clips that you selected, and it's going to put them on the USB drive. You can then take this drive, plug it into a computer, open up the player.exe file, and play all of the saved video clips through there, or provide it to somebody else who needs to see the video.